Good afternoon, Algebros. It's Mr. Jeffries coming back at you for my 5th period class. But I want to give a small shout out to not everybody needs to have kids. Okay, so that being said, moving on. Don't forget hit like, subscribe, hit the bell. Alright, so part 1. Remember, this goes like this. Okay, calculator work. 4 second, raise the roof. 625. Oh my gosh. Are you kidding me, Small? Alright, good thing there's a pause button on this. Alright, so that was number 1. Alright, number 2. Alright, so we end up getting -3 here. Alright. So part 2. Goes a little like this. So since x, y. Alright, the 5 goes right here. The 2 goes right here. Now, the 2 is on the outside, so it stays on the outside. Now, you could leave the parentheses or not. It's the same thing. So the 7 goes here, and the 6 goes here. Alright. So are we good for 1 through 4? Alright. So, moving on. Now, number 5. So what we're going to do, we're going to split this first. So we're going to say the 4th root of 4 squared. And then, so, so 4 second, raise the roof, 4. Alright, so that gives me 2. Alright, now, this becomes a to the 2 over 4. Well, what does 2 over 4 reduce down to? Yeah, so this final answer is 2, and you can use parentheses if you want to, 1/2.
So what if you put 2 and a like in a parentheses together? Do you count it?
Yes. I will count it wrong because the 2 this I think was notes from last Wednesday because we had to redo this, and it is you take the number out. Okay, all of these numbers are going to be able to go on the outside of the parentheses. Yes. Just for our class and this test, they will not go inside the parentheses. Alright, so this gives me 4. And then b to 2 over 3.
What if you don't put parentheses around what?
That's you don't have to put parentheses around these.
The one that don't have parentheses?
Yeah, you don't have to. The parentheses are free. They're like easier ways to like control like group things. Okay. All right. These you can put straight in the calculator. You don't have to do the things that we were doing. So 3 second, raise the roof. 4, scroll over. That way I know I'm outside the roof. Times 3 second, raise the roof. All right, gives me 6. All right, if you didn't do that, and if you did this, this is the cube root of 216, which is 6. Second, raise the roof. 2304. 4 second, raise the roof. 9. Okay, we get 4. Now, if we didn't do that, huh? Oh, 304. Okay. Okay. Two, 3, 0, 4. 4. So 2, 0, 0. 2, 3, 0, 4. Yes, I don't know why I keep on writing 4. It's supposed to be a 9. So this becomes 256. So if we take the cube root or 4th root of 256, that's what we get. Okay. Now, if I was doing something for my orange sheet, I would probably put for part 4, 7, and 8, put in calculator, see Mr. Jeffries for help. Like, if you're like, oh, I forgot how to put it in there. That happens, okay? And whether it's true or not, that happens so many times that the way that people's minds go blank before a test, I wouldn't be angry. Now, if you come up here and like, I don't know what to do on anything, I'm going to... Now, yep. So, for this, we're going to take the 4th root of 81, which is... 4 second. 81. All right, so that's 3. Now, for our X's that live in Texas. All right, so the number in the gutter, 4, goes into the power, 7. All right, so how many times will 4 go into 7? Once, with a remainder of 3. So, for our X, we take out 1, and the remainder of 3 stays inside the house. Get it? Remainder remains inside. All right. What is understood to be right here? 2. That has been the thing that's been catching people all this whole time. All right. So for my A, how many times will 2 go into 5? Well, that goes 2 times. with a remainder of 1. Our B, 2 goes into 3 one time, remainder 1. Now, you don't have to do the powers of 1, but if I'm saying it's not required, but if doing the powers, writing the powers of 1 helps you to understand it, that's perfectly fine, because that's also the way I'm teaching it. All right. And are we good right here? Yes, no. Your presence in the mail. All right. Now, look closely, my students. This is adding. So we have to do the opposite. Yep. Not divide. I'm not going to say 1 times anything, because 1 times anything is that same thing. 2x minus 3 equals 1. All right. Now I have my radical on one side by itself. So I'm going to raise it to the power in the gutter. Remember, on the radical side, it just rips the roof off. And 1 times 1 times 1, 1. Okay. Plus 3 plus 3. 2x equals 4. So x equals 2. I know some of y'all are upset that we only have 2 of these instead of like all of it. Womp womp. Okay. We good with number 11. All right, this one, radical's already by itself. So what we're going to do, this is understood to be a 2, so we're going to square both sides. If you can wait just like 45 seconds to when I'm actually done teaching, I will deal with your request. Sorry, I'm not going to stop what I'm doing to fulfill whatever needs you have unless you're about to catch on fire or throw up. All right, so that's it. So don't forget, hit like, subscribe, bell. Good stuff, good things. Roll Tide.